Oh, they're still right there. I have to take a picture of this. Basically, they're not responsible if I die, so yeah, we're good. Hey, turds. You actually look like the color of a turd. Honestly, you do. And we are now trespassing. Completely trespassing. Like, this is completely illegal. Like, this is, yeah. This is barbed wire right here. Wow, he's really dumb. This is terrible. He's in the horse's territory right now. Yeah, let's go down here. There's him, and there are the horses. There. He's completely in their territory right now. He could die, because we don't even know these horses. Trying to be positive, though. Hey, how are you gonna get out if you need to run? Fair enough. He's supposed to be. This is nuts. Just for a little perspective, this is how far away he is from them. Zoom all the way out. That white and black horse is perking up a little bit. I think Rico, he's gonna stomp pretty soon. Yep, there he goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, you're about to get killed. Yep. Is this freaking you out, Rico? The horse has grass in his mouth. Yep, you got that right. Whoa, that is a big pile of crap. Whoa. Hey. Dude, nice job. I need some more. Here. That black one is not very happy right now. Ooh, this is good grass. Not that I would know, because I know nothing about grass. This has to be unhealthy or something. I'm not sure. Ow, God. Is that a thorn? No, we're good. Hey, here. Oh, that is a big horse. Now he's speaking like horse language. Good lord, that's a big old horse. Dude, this is not a male. His penis is cut off. I think they do? Huh. I learn something new every day. Yeesh. Didn't know that one. Doing it. Hey, can I feed him this time?
Go ahead.
Hi, buddy. Hey, I sort of don't want to, though. You want me to record this? Hi, boy.
There's a lot of scars.
He does? Oh, yeah, he does. I see one right now. I don't know if you can see that, but
Why does he have so many scars?
I'm not sure.
Always make sure a horse is looking at you when you touch it,
Why?
because it will attack you.
Ooh. Dude, why? Can I look him back in the eyes? Hey. Someone said, is Rico with you? 516-643-0937?
Say yes. People. I'm just happy that I got over here before the female.
What's he doing? Is he mad? Dude, he's really still right now.
He's trying to sleep.
Is he sick? He's done. That's it. That's all you get for a quarter. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Oh! Ooh! Oh my god. I'm really glad my dog doesn't poop that much.
Are you not used to the smell of poop?
No, I am, but not that big. Good lord. Jeez. Look at that pile. I mean, it's fresh. Like, right off the boat. Ugh. Good lord. It's actually not that disgusting, though. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. 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 Hey, Rico, you want to go? Hey, Rico, are you actually going to ride her? Are you actually going to ride him?
I have to ride
Her?
She is not tame. She is.
I'm not sure about that.
Give me some grass.
Ouch. Braver than me. So, Hunt, since that sign said, if you die, it's not our fault, we're basically not trespassing. Whoa. Yeah, he gone. So you think the black one's pregnant? Hey, that would be a good YouTube video to,
She might be asleep.
see, her eyes are open.
Like, sleep with her eyes open.
No, she's not asleep.
Yeah, she's asleep, dude. Something's wrong. These are old horses.
Dude, she's not asleep. Yeah, she's not asleep. Hey, hey, hey. Rico, what are you doing, man? Are you ready?